I painted this, I did this. You didn't do none of that. Oh, come on, no. That's real aluminum diamond. Alright guys, so I had no idea what to do for a video today. The Mustang over there, the starter, I ordered one that didn't work. I took the parts from the old one and the new one and mixed matched, and I probably dropped that starter out like 5 times. I'm just gonna go to a dude I know that will rebuild OEM and do that. So the Mustang's out of commission. I'm not working on it. I wanted to start it and see the turbo spin before I went any farther. Anyway, so like I said, I was bringing This Tool Is Cool back. And I'm gonna transform over here into a studio. I'm gonna try to get it all done today. It's not gonna be completely done today. It's gonna be a work in progress, but I want to try to get this to a suitable studio and working space where I can still drive the car in this other bay. And I have a lot of I'm gonna get started. What's up everybody? This is Dustin with Life in a Mustang, and today I'm bringing you another episode of This Tool Is Cool. And today guys, I thought this thing was pretty cool. I was walking through Walmart. That's where this episode of This Tool Is Cool comes. And I found the smart lock, and it kind of intrigued me. I was like, what could I use this for? And then I knew that I was framing out a door inside of a door for my shop, so I got a 3-day shop. I'm putting a door inside of a bay door, and I'm gonna need a lock. And I was like, well, that's nifty. So it was $7 at Walmart. Here, take a look. This is the smart lock. This is how it comes. I haven't really got the cameras all set up either, so I'll be back and forth couch here. Get a better close up. Here's this, just like that. Here is the lock itself. Zoomy. And here's my RFID tagger. It also comes with one in here, so I guess if you guys scan that, you can unlock my lock. But that's okay, because let's get to talking about this lock. So who is this lock for? This lock is for tech. I know this is a car automotive channel, but I also do This Tool Is Cool, and this has to do with shops, anything in or around your vehicle. Here's this lock right here. You download the app. You just go on the Apple iTunes. If you have Android, you can go to the Android store. It's called Click Lock. As you can see, it's on the phone right there. You just go to the app. It's real intuitive. You also have a number that you can get through this. It's through the email. They'll email you your number, so not only can you use a cell phone to unlock the phone, you can use the number pad. So right there is the number pad on the back. It's got a red power button. You go to the app, it looks like this. You just go to the app opens up, and now I click unlock. It's searching for it. It should pop open. Connecting, it's connecting. So that was a little slow. I guess if you stay in proximity, say if you walk away, then maybe you have to re-sync it or connect it. But right there, I think how it works is there's electromagnets inside of here, because there's no actual lock. So this is how quick it really is when it's connected. Ready? So you saw that, it happened really quick. So if you take a look down inside of there, it's just flat. There's nowhere for a hook or a typical lock. And if you look right here, there is no ridge or anything right there. So I'm pretty sure it's electromagnets with a solenoid inside. Pretty cool tech if you're into that sort of thing. So it's an electromagnet lock. It's not gonna keep away anybody. It might deter them or slow them down. It does, I will say that I don't know the pound force that it takes for pulling. You could definitely break this thing, but anybody just coming by and trying to yank it open, the electromagnets are actually pretty strong. It says that the battery life is up to 6 months. I don't know. This does work for iOS and Android. So if you like those kind of novelty things, it's kind of cool. I did have to fidget with it a little bit, and then I had to, I mean, it is just a cheap $7 one from Walmart. I'm sure that there is better smart locks out there. If you're gonna get something like a smart lock, this would be a cool tool. Maybe not this KLIC brand. It's $7. You can buy it, you can try it. I had problems syncing. Maybe if there's better smart locks out there. I think it would actually be pretty cool, like this door that I'm putting on the shop over here. It'd be cool to have a smart lock, walk up, hit it with my phone, and just, you know, undo like a little latch lock or something. That would be pretty cool. So yeah, this has been This Tool Is Cool. I'm bringing this back. This is my new background. I hope y'all like it. It's a little bit of work in progress, but we're gonna go ahead and see if that see if it's gonna work. You know, I'm gonna probably change things up and everything. Anyways, yes, that was smart lock, and man, go find you a little bit better one. It is a cool tool, cool concept to those people out there that made it, but if there is a better one out there, do go out and buy it. I will see you later. This has been Life in a Mustang. I'm Dustin. Don't forget, This Tool Is Cool. Subscribe. I upload every Sunday. And next week, who knows what the video might be. It might be This Tool Is Cool. It might be something to do with a rear mount Mustang Turbo. So it's all up to you guys if you want to watch or not. I'm going to go and admire my new set. Need some lights and boom mic maybe. Maybe we'll get super fancy with it. I don't know. I mean, look at, oh, but you see the shadowing on this side, it's kind of dramatic, and then the lighting on this side, it is, but here, maybe if I cut out this light right here, where is that? What, did it do it? Now it's not turning back on. All right. What did you think about this new set?
So,
I mean, you barely helped me.
Why did you do this smart lock one?
You like how I did all this work? No. I mean, I hung all this stuff.
No.
This whole thing
did all that work.
It was not you. It was me.
This smart lock, I mean, yeah, cool concept, but
Don't tell me that.
These guys?
No. I did all this. I painted this because it was pretty dirty.
And
yeah,
I did
this. Look at I painted this. I did this.
You didn't do none of that. Oh, come on, no.
That's real aluminum diamond.
Why don't you go sell them a smart lock?
Whatever. What?
Fucking.
You guys are still watching?
I put this couch here.
Just arguing with myself.
I didn't just sit on this couch.
I did all
the whole time and watch you do all that.
Not him.
Oh, you did that.
Bye.
You did that. Okay. Alright, guys. Smart lock.